do, what it is, what it do, what it is. We back with another video, ay, 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 ay. What is up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, we are back again with another video already, you guys. Yes, y'all, and today I'm doing a video that I've been wanting to do for the longest time, you guys. The hashtag TOONME challenge. Yes, we are doing the TOONME challenge. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me on my Instagram to do this challenge, and when I saw this challenge, I was like, oh my goodness, I had no idea what was going around because, you know, I take my social media breaks and stuff here and there. And when I looked on the hashtag, I was just like, yo, this is so poppin'. This is so dope. I can definitely see me doing a challenge like this. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and hop on this challenge real quick. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it poppin'. And I was like, yes, let's go ahead and make a video of it too. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, you guys. I've already picked the picture that I'm going to be doing, which is this one right here. I was like, you know what, let's do a little something different, do like a half body type shot, because I know a lot of people have been doing like the headshots and stuff, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do this picture here because, you know, I like the pose and everything. It's very interesting, but I'll talk more about it when we get ready right into the speed draw. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, you guys, oh my goodness, I am so excited for this video, you guys. I had so much fun doing this challenge. As you can see, I'm starting out by making the split that's gonna go down the picture, that's gonna divide up the cartoon me from the real me. And then I also added the like a little heart, like a couple little hearts, so that'll also be in cartoon form too. But yeah, I was really excited about this. As soon as I saw someone was like, oh, you should do the TOONME challenge, I looked it up and I was like, yo, this is so dope. So I'm super excited about this, you guys. And I decided to do this picture because I love the way that my body is posed and I'm smiling, I have expression. It's just a very interesting picture, and I think it would make a great picture for the TOONME. And you know, it's different than just, you know, a selfie picture, but I definitely think I want to do a selfie picture too later on, because this challenge is fun. I definitely think I want to do it again, you guys. But yeah, let me know how you all are doing down below in the comments, because I just want to check up on you guys, see how y'all are doing. Let me know down in the comments below how you guys are doing, and you know, what it is that you're excited for this 2020. Because oh my goodness, you guys, there's so many amazing blessings that are coming our way, you guys. Greatness is coming. You just have to believe it. You have to trust in God and just keep going, you guys. Keep going. Don't give up on your goals. You know, write down everything that it is that you want to do and just go for it. You know what I'm saying? Don't doubt yourself, you guys, and just take every day one step at a time, because that's exactly what I'm doing, you guys. Just taking every day little by little. I'm learning every day more and more about myself and what it is that I need to do for my greatness and for my future, you know. And I just know that every day is a blessing, and to never take anything that we have for granted, you know, and just continuing to just practice what we've been gifted, you know what I'm saying? Practice our talents, things that we love to do, and to not allow ourselves to get sucked up by the world and all the things that's going on out there, you know what I'm saying? So just making sure that I'm focusing on my spirit and, you know, really growing my spirit, feeding my spirit more than I do the flesh, you know. And that's just so important, you know what I'm saying? Just making sure that we are, you know, continually working on our mental and our spirit, because at the end of the day, that's our foundation for life. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like when a building needs a foundation to stand up, that's our foundation, is our spirit, you know what I'm saying, and our mental. So I believe that when you work on those things first, then everything else will fall into place. And honestly, listen to me, you guys, it's so true, because when I focus on my spirit and my mentality, like, everything really does fall into place. It really does. It just takes time, you know, and no one is perfect. You know, everybody is still learning every day, little by little, at, you know, one step at a time, you guys. And, you know, we're all gonna get there. We just have to continue to believe in ourselves and not give up, you know. So that's just a little advice, a little positivity for me today. You know, I have so much more of this to talk about. I'll probably do videos where it's just me talking about just, you know, positivity and just giving you guys some inspiration. So I'm just really excited, you guys. There's so many things that I'm planning on doing, so many things that I'm excited to share with you all. And I just want to say thank you all to my supporters who've just been there for me since day one. If you're new here and you know you're new to the Christina Lorre family, Rawsueshii family, welcome, and just continue on, follow me, and you know, waiting to see the content that I put out there, because I definitely know there's exciting things coming our way, you guys, for the Christina Lorre family. You guys, greatness is coming, so I'm so excited for that. And yeah, I'm just so blessed to have you all as my supporters. Like, I really wouldn't want it any other way, you guys. Like, I didn't know that I was going to be a YouTuber a long time ago. I did not know that this was going to be a part of my life, you know, and it's just been such a blessing. And I'm so thankful that I created this community, and we're just all here spreading love, joy, and positivity, and you know, sharing the love of God too while doing it. So yeah, you guys, I'm just so happy. Like, I just don't even know what to say. Like, it's just a blessing to know that I have you guys as my supporters. And I'm just really excited to see the journey that is about to come, you guys. Greatness is coming. And I say that every day to speak it into existence, because I think that's so important too. We need to manifest that greatness, speak into existence the things that we want to come to pass, and they will, you know, when you believe it and you put the action and the faith behind it. Because God is great all the time, y'all. Hashtag God is great all the time. I'm never going to stop saying that, y'all. Like, that is just everything to me. You know, God is my everything. So yeah, you guys, I'm just so excited. And sorry I'm talking so much, you guys, but yeah, I'll let you guys continue to watch this video and enjoy watching my process. And yeah, you guys, see you all at the end of the video. that was my video, you all. I really hope that you all enjoyed watching me do my TOONME challenge. This is the final picture. What do you guys think? I think it came out super cute. I was really happy with the results. And I really like how I did like the little hearts and stuff over here to give it a little bit of balance. And then I added my little signature little fairy in there. And then of course I added my little heart to the cheek. And yeah, you guys, I really like how it came out. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. I definitely think I want to do this again because this is a fun challenge. I can definitely see myself doing like more challenges like this like all the time because you know I love to cartoonize like real people and stuff, so why not, you know, do it to myself, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you guys might see me do this some more on my Instagram. Make sure to follow me at Rawsueshii so you guys can see all of my art and updates and everything like that. So yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching and I will see you all on my next video. Peace, love, and God bless your loves. Bye.
Hey,
You didn't see that.